What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm. So we got some quick news in. Shiba Inu is absolutely pumping right now at the moment. It's just before midnight here in Las Vegas, 11:45, and SHIB is up 13% right now. So I want to give y'all, a look at this real quick, and also a quick prediction of what's to come. So I'm expecting to see a short-term pump. We just got the official release of Shibarium. So of course the markets are pricing this in right now, moving the price up. We could potentially, see some exciting news when we get more announcements on Shibarium as far as the burn mechanisms. A lot of people are forgetting about that burn. I think when the team announces some more information on how the burns will take place and what the percentage will be or whatever of every transaction, I think FOMO is going to absolutely set in. But right now I expect in the short term possibly a pump if we get some more news on this. In the nearer short term, I expect prices to pull back around to the 9 level, the 7 level, and at the worst case scenario, I believe SHIB might pull back to those 5 levels when we see the overall bear market continue to go to its lowest point. So right now during this short time, I've been telling y'all, don't be afraid to take some profits off the table while you have the opportunity, because traders will do this. Traders are not going to let the prices continue to go up. So, take a little profits. Not saying you have to. This is not financial advice at all, but I'm just saying, it would be wise to, if you made, a quick, we're up 40% for the week. If you're up 40% for the week, take some of those profits, lock them in, let the price fall back in or fall back down, and then you could buy in for a cheaper price, and get more of the asset than you just had at where you sold it at. So I wanted to inform y'all about that, and also just really keep y'all informed about the burn mechanism. I really think that's going to set off a frenzy if we get some announcement on that. So we know Shibarium is releasing by July 1st through the end of September. So from July 1st to September 30th, we have that window where they guaranteed us that it basically will be out. They said the private test net for it basically has been running for weeks. So that's a really good sign to tell us that it's already been tested out for weeks to come, and the public version is almost ready. So which a public test version. So very, very excited about this. As you can see, the markets are also excited. So just be aware, during these next few days, you really want to be watching the channel. You really want to be, making sure you got those notifications on so you don't miss what's going on, because it's about to get wild, y'all. So again, take some profits if you want, if your plan is to hold Shiba Inu long term for the, just years to come, then don't worry about this. But I'm speaking to my traders, the ones that are more of day traders. Lock in some of those gains, let the price pull back a little bit, and then buy in again. Not saying you have to sell everything, but your bag that you're using to day trade, remember I said create multiple bags. If you have a day trade bag, don't be afraid to lock in some of those profits, buy the dip again. Because I do think the prices will continue to go lower. The market hasn't completely changed yet. We still have, another the end of this quarter basically to, get the results in for the GDP. And if the GDP basically, which we already know it should be, if it dropped a second consecutive quarter, then we are officially in a recession, and that news could shock the markets and take prices down. So that's kind of what I'm, speculating on. So this is not 100% accurate. I don't have a fortune or a crystal ball right here to tell me. I'm just using some of this, information that we learned. Also, if y'all missed our class today, we had economic indicators, chapter 9 and 10 today. So this was our 5th class so far. We had over almost 4,000 students pull up to these classes so far. So if you haven't checked it out, make sure you check it out. It's the previous video before this, and you could just go watch the rest of the classes before they become members only content. So tap in if you want to get one of the courses. I got my stock options trading course, my technical analysis course, my crypto 101 course, and we got the class of better informed investors, which is a free class you can pull up. You just got to have your notifications on, because the videos will only be available for a limited time to regular viewers, and then they will move to the members only section and eventually become course material. So this is college level material for those that are serious about becoming better informed investors. So tap in with me, follow me at DecemberDeMarco on all platforms. Watch out for the scammers in the comment section. I will not tell you to WhatsApp me or any of that crazy stuff. So appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.